let's go. Na! Oh, AC akula, men. Day 3. Anong meron sa day 3? I have had a chocolate series in the evening. Now my customers shall have more variety of drinks to choose from. Well, that's nice. Hello. Let's go! Our first customer for tonight goes to... Oh. Good evening, ma'am. Oh, give me a cup of bottle mocha. Make sure you do it right. Huh? Wait ka lang. Wait ka lang. Wait. Mo, Americano chocolate. Tama na to, ma'am. Serve na lang natin sa next customer. Pag yan, di ano ah. Yabang-yabang ko pa. Kala ko nagawa ko ng tama. Hindi pala. Woo! Yan. Hey, have you heard about the woman who jumped from this building? OMG! Ayun na yung nakita ko. Oh my... Ano pa rin nakita ako? May nalaglag. This restaurant have the garden. I understand. Great job is stressful. Corporate life is easy, but some of us have teenage. You wouldn't get it working close job like this. OMG, yan yung ano, isa day 2, like, nakita ko nalaglag. So our second customer goes to... Hey. Hindi kita nalay. Sorry. Well, hey there. Nice to see you. What if ikaw yung culprit, ha? Could you give me one chocolate? Haha, dyan ka pa. Di ako, di ako nagulat. Like, napasabi lang ako, hala. No, not today, ha? Not today. Ano ba? Chocolate, yeah. There's no boba or anything. Chocolate milk, pero mukha siyang strawberry. Here you go. Thank you. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita sa building na to. Like, day 1 wala siya. Uy, bumabalik. Yes, ma'am. Let's go, ma'am. How's the workout, huh? Double boba. Make it quick. I've got another one to run. Oh, amazing. Huh? Wait lang, mama. Minamada. Bagal kasi dito. Ang bagal mo naman, be. Here you go. Are you Ma'am! You stressing me, huh? Like, you fucking kidding me? Sabi nga nila, customers always right. Chocolate milk, hanap na din. Hindi ko alam kung tama ito pinagkagawa ko. Kasi mamadali ako. Wah! Di ko na alam tuloy. Di ko na alam. So, yap, nangungulit yung pusa ko. Kapag ito'y lipa. Mali pala na pindot. Wow, amazing ha. Parang kasalanan ko ba tayo? Blur? Development? Yo, dude! New customer. Hi, miss. I really like your bubble tea. My dad always get it. Oh! Oh! Holy shit! Hoy, bastos ka! Ba't ka doon? Hoy, man! But he's super busy today, so I came to get it from him. And I'm gonna have a pamigyan one more piece. Dire-diretso ka! Wala akong paalam, ha? Here you go, mocha. And babamit. Dami ko nasasayang na yung ano. Diyos ko, Lord. Dito tama. Buti na ako kayong may-ari. So, yep. Here you go. Thanks, sis. Waiting for my dad every day is so boring. Wait naman yung pusa ko. Hello? Di ka pa nalabas dyan? Ako makalabas. Hi. You didn't happen to have any matcha? Dahil siya may matcha. I don't care, ma'am. Wala nagtanong kung gusto mo ng matcha. Ay. Oh, well, in that case, I'll take a boba chocolate. Wala naman nagtanong kung gusto mo ng matcha. Thanks, but seriously, add some matcha to the videos. Okay, noted. If that's... Itong ina me, hindi siya nalabas. Kanina po. Hi! Uy, kamukha niya si Alodia. Yung cosplayer. So anyways. Hello there, sweetie. Such a lovely little shop you have here. Could I have a cup of strawberry? Nabubulol na ako. Strawberry chocolate, please. little bit. Like, you've seen a ghost or something. Yeah! Like, dumaan yung lalaki kanina. Then, dumara siya dun sa CR. Tapos hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nabalik. Nakailang customer na ako. Make sure you get enough sleep, dear. Night. Kind to the rest. Look. It is closing time now. Man! I should probably check if anyone is still in the toilet. Yeah, yes. Yes. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Wow. Inhale. I'm strong, independent woman. Yeah, di ako takot. Hello? There is anyone here? Ang taray ah. Saan? Hello? What the fuck? Ba't ganito yung CR? Ang dumi-dumi. Parang ano, dinalinisan ng 10,000 years. Ang dumi ha? Tapos, yung ilaw. Anyways. Hello? May tao pa dito? What? Ah! Ay, shit. Takang po. What are you doing, ha? Mukha ka. Baby niya. Ah!